The Lighthouse 48 inch by 48 inch by 84 inch grow tent assembly instructions. Step 1. Unpack and check the contents of the box. Your box should contain one 48 inch by 48 inch by 84 inch Mylar fabric shell, one 48 inch by 48 inch by 6 inch Mylar spill floor, two 67 inch hanging straps, two heavy-duty light hangers, one heavy-duty crossbar, 8 46 3/4 inch width and depth poles, 4 42 inch male height poles, 4 42 inch female height poles, 9 corner joints, 8 needed and 1 extra. Step 2. Assemble the bottom square frame. Take 4 46 3/4 inch width and depth poles and 4 corner joints and join them together to create a square. Make sure that all the corner joints are firmly in place. Use a rubber mallet if necessary. Step 3. Repeat step 2 to create the top square frame. Step 4A. Place the 4 42 inch female height poles into the corner joints of the bottom frame. Step 4B. Place the 4 42 inch male height poles into the female height poles. Step 5. Attach the top frame to the vertical height poles. Step 6. Attach the heavy-duty crossbar to the top frame. Step 7. Attach the 2 heavy-duty light hangers to the top frame. Step 8A. Place the assembled frame into the bottom of the Mylar fabric shell and spread the Mylar fabric shell out onto the floor. Step 8B. Lay the assembled frame down on top of the Mylar fabric shell. Step 9. Wrap the tent frame with the Mylar fabric shell. Stand the tent up and place the spill floor into it. Finish zippering the tent.